Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. In today's video, I am going to do a very dewy makeup with cream based products. I love wearing this makeup on a day-to-day basis and I am doing this makeup only using drugstore products. All the products I am using is easily available in India. So without any further delay, let's get right into the video. I have zoomed in the camera so that you can see my face clearly. If you want a skin-like makeup, it is really important to prep your skin really well. I have cleansed my face really well with a face wash and now I'm going to tone my face using the plum green tea mist. This is how it looks like. This will help in reducing the appearance of the pores as well as it will act as a hydrating spray. So I am going to spray this on my face. I am slowly dabbing the product onto my skin. It has got a very refreshing fragrance and it is very hydrating on the skin. I will give few minutes for the setting mist to absorb into the skin. First I am going to apply a moisturizer. This is the Episoft moisturizer with sunscreen. It is really important to apply a sunscreen during the daytime. This has SPF 30 in it. This is very lightweight and moisturizing at the same time. Then I'll give few seconds for the moisturizer to absorb into the skin. To add a little more glow to the skin, I'm using a dewy primer. This is the Wet n Wild Dewy Luminex primer. This is how the tube looks like. This is very inexpensive and easily available in India. I really like this primer. Even on the days I'm not wearing makeup, I will apply this as it is and it will look really amazing. You can see the glow it is giving. If you have oily skin, you can always use a pore filling or a mattifying primer. Next, I am going to use this foundation by Physicians Formula. This is the Physicians Formula, the healthy foundation. This also contains SPF 20. This is available on Hawk Makeup. This retails about 1200 rupees. This is a very underrated foundation, I feel. If you have textured and matured skin, you will really like this. It doesn't give a lot of coverage, but it will give you that skin-like finish. I really love this, so I'm going to apply this. This comes with a doe foot applicator like this, so you can easily dot the foundation on your face. It will give you a light to medium coverage. Always apply the foundation on your neck, otherwise both will look really different. I'm taking the PAC Beauty Blender and blending the foundation. As you can see, I can still see my skin through this foundation. I don't mind that on a day-to-day basis. I don't like the full coverage look all the time. So I really love this foundation, and if you have dry to normal skin, you will really like this. I think oily skin people won't like this because it can look a bit dewy. Just to highlight the skin, I'm going to apply this Maybelline Fit Me concealer under my eyes. and on my nose. I'm in the shade 25 medium, and in the foundation I forgot to tell you I'm in the shade MW2. I did my brows off camera. I have shown how to do the eyebrows in my previous makeup tutorials, so you can check that out. The focus of this makeup is on the base makeup. Now for blush, I am going to use this Lakme 925 lip and cheek color. This is in the shade Blush Velvet. So I am going to apply this on my cheeks. And then blend it with the beauty blender. You can always use your products in multiple ways, and this blush will give you a very lightweight and flushed look from within. You can always build up the color like you want. I am applying a little bit on my nose to get that flushed look. To get a very monochromatic look, I am going to use the same lipstick on my eyes as well. You don't need a brush to do that. You can just take some lipstick on your fingers and then apply on your eyelids. Like you can see the difference. It has given a very beautiful definition to my eyes. You can obviously use any lipstick or eyeshadow as you want. Now before setting my face with a powder, I am going to use this cream highlight. This is the LA Girl Luminous Glow in the shade Afterglow. This is how the packaging looks like. It's a very pretty golden color highlight. You need literally this much. I'm going to apply this on my nose and my cheekbones. If you feel it's too much, you can always go back with your beauty blender and blend the highlighter. Now because I have a combination skin, I just want to set my face with a very lightweight pressed powder. This is my favorite Wet n Wild pressed powder. This is in the shade Warm Beige. This is one of my favorite. It's very lightweight and it will not make your face cakey. So this will make sure that your makeup will not move. As you can see, I still have that glow from the cream products. To set the makeup, I am going to use the same mist. This is the Plum Green Tea Mist. Spraying a mist will help in melting all the products together and it will give a more natural finish. Next I am going to apply a mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. I'm going to use this Lakme Iconic Kajal in brown on my waterline and lower lash line. And finally for lip color, I am using the same Lakme lipstick in Blush Velvet. It's a very pretty pinky nude color and the formula is really lightweight and comfortable. As you can see, the makeup looks really fresh and glowy. This is the kind of makeup I like to wear on a daily basis. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe and hit the notification bell right next to it. I will see you in my next one. Take care.